from last 1 year. So they are demanding justice. And what are their demand? We will talk with them. What's your name?
My name is Arshdeep Singh and I'm from Kurukshetra and I have applied to CDI College of Montreal for in last year, in 2020 I mean to say.
So Ash, what do you want to say? From how many from how many months you are waiting for your passport request, and what is the current status, and what message and what reward you are getting from IRCC or VFS or from Quebec colleges?
So it's been more than a year, right? I applied in January of 2020 and so far I haven't heard back from those guys, right? They are not responding to our tweets, they are not responding to our mails, and they are not even putting out a statement regarding the issue, right? So we are left in complete darkness, right? They won't reply to our mails, they won't reply, they won't tell us anything, and they won't give us visas. And what's worse is that they are not even giving us AIPs, right? So I here represent all the students. More than 4 to 5,000 students applied to only these 10 colleges, and they happen to be the most popular colleges in Montreal, right? And these students, the students who apply to these 10 colleges, are not getting visas, and I want IRCC to listen. I want their representative to come out and listen to our grievances and take steps to correct it.
When this COVID cases arises, then Canadian government put ban on some colleges who are not in the DLI list. So in the colleges which you have applied, are they in DLI list? Are they certified from the government, or they are not certified with the DLI list?
Sir, the colleges who are not in DLI list cannot invite international students to their campuses, right? These colleges, the 10 colleges we are talking about, all of them are in DLI list. They still are in DLI list, and I can show you over the internet right now. But the point is, if they are in DLI list, they are in COVID readiness plan list also. So why the hell you are kept us waiting? You should tell us something. You should process our files like you are doing with the students of Ontario as well as British Columbia.
So what do you feel? Who misguided you? Is it the problem of the agents, or is it the problem of the colleges, or it's the problem of government, IRCC? To whom you blame on this whole scenario?
See, the blame falls mostly on the agents, right, who lure students to these colleges and by saying that if you have a weak profile, you can certainly get admission in these colleges and you will get visa as well. And that was true. Last year, these colleges received...
We have seen the advertisements also in which they are saying that if you have 5.5 bands, then you can also come to Canada. Such advertisements always, we can say, lume the students, and they come in fraud of these cases.
The thing is, it's not just about the weak profile. Students who want to pay less tuition fees are also attracted to the Montreal, because most of the colleges charge around 8 to 9 lakh rupees fees for per year, right? It's not more than that, and that's the reason. And apart from that, the cost of living in Montreal is also quite low as compared to Toronto as well as Vancouver, right? So all three these reasons are responsible for such influx of students in these provinces, right? But if we talk about IRCC or the Quebec government, they are not responsible. They are not the one who are putting out advertisements that come to our province or come to these colleges, right? The blame should fall on agents. But right now what's happening is that the Quebec government is not the one who issues visas. It's the federal government who has the authority to issue visas, and they are the one who are holding us back in India. They are not giving us visas, and they are not even replying to our queries, right? And if you go to Twitter and see our tweets, you see our tweets, you see our messages, they will respond to even silliest questions, but they won't talk to us.
So what's your name, and from where you came?
Sir, I'm Sangram. I'm from Karnal, Haryana.
So what do you want to say? From how many months or from how many years you are facing this problem?
Sir, I'm facing this problem from 3 months because I filed my visa in January, and my friends were also get their visa in month of March. So it's been a long time to get a visa in Quebec. So one of my friend came with me. He also waiting for 1 year. So that's why came here for justice.
How much pressure do you feel on yourself, on your parents, as you're not getting the visa, you're sitting at home, and have you started your study, or is it still not started?
Sir, I am started my study, but it's not all about our money.